Hey guys, we're just going to be doing a time walk.
Let's do the time warp again.
No, we got sticks here.
It's okay, guys. Yeah, go help.
Another stick?
No, we're in the front room.
You can go help Dustin Mom's room there. Mom needs a lot of help dusting before that thing goes up.
I don't know what you're supposed to. There's 2 sticks.
Look at this. Okay guys, now time to do the time lapse. We need to dust everywhere that dust can get to. Yeah, you should dust the screen so it doesn't get dirty.
I mean, well, not get dirty.
Well, like dust can get on it because it's all involved.
And since the keyboard was already clean a while ago by that, remember?
But it might still be needed to be cleaned.
No point. Okay.
Now time to get all the way back here to like get all of that dust. Cause you know that you need to get rid of all the dust. Like maybe
the back side here and the side
Yeah.
as well, kind of.
Okay, so Jeremy, it's gonna be plugged right here, so you guys keep.
bye bye guys. Hope you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.